Alright guys, before I get started, I just wanted to say that I've been away for YouTube for quite some time. I know, and I just wanted to apologize for those of you who've been wanting to see my videos. I just had so much going on in my life, but I'm back and I'm here to stay, and I'm not going to leave like that again. So I'm so excited to be back, and I have so much content coming to you guys. So I just want to say thank you for being subscribers. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and all of my future content, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. And I just want to say that I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and again, I'm here to stay, so stay tuned because I have a lot of new content coming. Alright, so let's get to the video. Hey guys, it's KiaTache. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is going to be a what's in my everyday bag and a quick review of my everyday bag. So let's just get right to it. Alright, so my everyday bag is my Louis Vuitton Croisette in Damier Ebene, and I've had this bag for a little over 2 years now, so just a really quick review. My bag is still in pretty good shape for me to have it over 2 years and use it as an everyday bag. There are some flaws, but not anything that's too noticeable. For the most part, it still looks pretty good, and well, not for the most part, it does still look pretty good, and I use it every day. So let's take a closer look. So here is the bag. Here's the front, the sides, the back, other side, the little tassel. This spreads apart sometimes, so sometimes I put rubber bands on it to hold it together when I'm not using it, but it's like my everyday bag, so I'm usually always using it, so that's why it looks like this. And then there's the bottom. So first, I don't know if you can see like the marks right here. That's pretty much the only thing on the outside of the bag, and I mean, it's not that noticeable. Actually, I can basically wipe it off. I just haven't had a chance to do it yet because I've been so busy, and again, this is my everyday bag, but I can just wipe that off. And then again, then also there is a little bit of the tarnishing on the hardware and some scratches, but other than that, there are no other flaws on the outside of the bag. And this can all be fixed if I actually really want to get it fixed. I just don't see the need because, again, this is an everyday bag, so it's just going to keep happening. And plus, you can't see from afar when I'm actually wearing the bag, so, you know, doesn't really make a difference. Alright, so when you open up the bag, on the inside, you can see some more flaws, just like on the interior a little. And again, nothing really major. I'm not upset about it because, again, I wear this bag almost every day. It is my everyday bag, and I've had it for over 2 years now, and this is what happens when you're getting a lot of use out of a bag. So it's going to have its own little personality after some time. So again, there's that. But other than that, the interior looks pretty good. I'll show you after I empty everything out. So what's in my everyday bag? First, I have my, my cell phone, and this is the iPhone XS. So I have that. And then before I continue, let me give you like how it looks, how everything is packed. I don't have an organizer in this bag because I just don't feel like it's necessary because it's so small. Although I'm not against people who choose to have organizers in their bags. I think that is good to protect the inside of your bag if you really care about that. And I usually do. But again, this bag is just really small, so I just didn't feel like it was necessary. Alright, continuing. Then next, I have my key holder. This is a 6-ring key holder, and I use this. Ah! There's a fly. Sorry guys. I use this every day. Okay, this is like an item that I use every day. You won't catch me anywhere without this. Okay, so yes, every day. Actually, I just got a new bag, so you might catch me somewhere without it, but for the most part, every single day. Okay, so inside I just have my keys and then some important bank cards, credit cards, and my driver's license. So I always have this in my bag. And then next is my portable charger. I actually have 2 of these, and they're about the same company, and they're off of Amazon. But this one I have in because it's red, and I just wanted to match the red interior. I'm just weird like that, so I have that in there. And I like to keep a portable charger because, you know, my phone might die anytime. Next, I have a portable travel size perfume, and this is by YSL, and I just got this from Sephora. It smells really good. I like to keep perfume with me to touch up my fragrance and freshen up. Then next I just have a little travel size lotion from Bath and Body Works, and this is in the fragrance Rose. Then next I have some gum for fresh breath. Next I have my Earpods. Don't like to go anywhere without these. Essential product to carry. And then I usually have my lip gloss or whatever I'm wearing on my lips that day. But even if I'm not wearing this lip gloss, I usually keep it in just as an everyday like lip gloss just to have. Sometimes I have a chapstick in here too, but I don't have that right now. And then I have my handy dandy hand sanitizer. This is really important. I always have a hand sanitizer in my bag, but especially right now with everything going on in these unfortunate times. And then following that, I have my mask. Sometimes I carry more than one mask, but this is the one I have right now. And then I also have my daughter's mask as well. She has multiple masks too, but I like to keep one in my bag, so when she's with me I can just have it on me. And then I have a random $20 bill, not sure why it's just loose in here. And then I have my little spoolie for my eyelashes, and that's just in this little pocket right here. And then I have some fruit snacks for my daughter, you know, to bribe her, keep her busy if we're out and about. And then last, I have 2 key pouches. I have my monogram one and my Damier Bean. So the monogram one I use for like coins and other extra cards. And then the Damier Bean one, when I'm carrying a Damier Bean bag, I like to put it like as an extra accessory sometimes, and then I put my AirPods inside just for quick access, or I keep it inside the bag and I store whatever else I feel like I need that extra storage for. And then that's it. That's all that I carry in my everyday bag. So as you can see, well, you can't really see, but the inside still looks pretty good. It's pretty clean, not too many flaws. And overall, I would rate this bag a 10 out of a 10. That's why it's my everyday bag. It's really comfy. It is also really versatile, and I love that. And it's just really good quality, and it's just really easy to pick up and go. So that's why it's my everyday bag. If you want to know more about this bag, then you can check out my video on this bag. I'll link that in the description below. But that's it for now. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss my next video. And if you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Any video suggestions, comment down below. Anything you want to see next, then comment that down below. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time.